Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Christine Austin Ill coming to you today to talk about mail merge. Now, what is mail merge? That is when you are going to take a ton of information from one spreadsheet, an Excel format, and you're going to put that into like your letters. All right. Now, a perfect example of that is when you have a ton of leads and you want to send them a door cracker letter, or you want to send a ton of your clients a welcome letter or a holiday letter, all right? And you don't want to sit and take a letter and handwrite their name. Some people may want to do that, but if you're one that wants to save time, and we all know that time is money, you want to be able to use a mail merge, all right? So today I'm going to show you how to take your information from your database, an Excel spreadsheet, and you're going to populate that into whatever type of Word document that you created so you can save tons of time, which again is going to save you guys money. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am on my laptop here, and I've already pulled up my door cracker letter. You see, I like to have my picture on my letters, and then right here is where I would normally print out the letter and write in the lead's name. Now, your letter, you can have several different places here that you may want to put a name in there that you could pull from your Excel spreadsheet. But for this example, there is really just one spot that I'm going to change here. So what I want to do is I want to take out that line. All right. And then I'm going to import each lead's name individually by means of a mail merge. So once I have that, I have my cursor right here. I'm going to go up to mailings. You're going to click on start a mail merge. Now you're creating one from scratch. So you want to click on the step-by-step mail merge wizard. From here, you notice on the side, this little box is going to pop up. If you're doing a letter, if you're going to do an email message, you could do envelopes, labels, or directory. All right. This one, we're doing letters. So you're going to go ahead down and click next. So you can start your document. Up here, it gives you a couple options. Use the current document, which I am because I've already created this letter. You could start a new template or start from a different template or start from an existing document. So again, we're using the letter that I have right here. Then I'm going next. Here you can use an existing list, which I do have a saved Excel spreadsheet that I'm going to use. You can select from an Outlook contacts or type in a new list from scratch. I'm going to browse to find my Excel spreadsheet here. So I'm going to my documents and I'll use Christine Mail Merge. It's an Excel spreadsheet there and click on open. Now you also want to make sure that your Excel spreadsheet only has one sheet. If you have multiple sheets here, you need to make sure that you're selecting the sheet that you want data to be imported into your letters. All right, so this one only has one sheet. And now you notice it's pulling in all of the information. That was my data source, which was the name of my Excel spreadsheet. And then here's the different columns within that spreadsheet. I'm going to click on OK because I want everything on that spreadsheet to basically pull over. I'm going to assign what I want in this letter. So now I just hit OK. All right. Now from here, you're going to you could click on this edit recipient list if you decided that you did not want certain people to show up. So if you knew that David was not somebody you wanted to give a letter, you would just unclick that. All right. And then that way, David would not receive a letter. I want everybody to receive a letter. So now we're going to go ahead to write your letter. And here, I'm going to go into more items because I need to add the names in here. All right. So I'm going to create my letter. I'm setting it up. So I have first name is what I want, and you click on insert. And you're going to notice, I'm going to hit close, that the first name populated right there where I had the cursor. All right. So I'm going to hit the space because I want the last name to show also. So now I'm going into more items. I'm going to click on last name, and I'm going to hit insert and then close. Now I have the first name and the last name that's showing right there. Now, if you were an individual that wanted the address to show, just hit enter on your laptop and then go ahead over to more items and then go ahead and click that you want the address to show up. Insert. If you want the city on the same line, insert it. Zip. You're going to hit insert and then close this window. Now I'll go here and I notice that I have two addresses, so you can just delete that. And then I'm going to hit my space bar to make sure that I'm having the space between my address, my city, and my zip. Now, of course, guys, you would want to have your state in there, but this is just an example. All right, so that's what we have here, and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. So now we're going to go to next, preview your letter. If you notice here, the name is going to show Dave and then his address. All right. Now, you can also click here, preview your results. When I click on that, notice that the address information went back to the template. You click view your results. It's going to pull in that data from the Excel spreadsheet. Sorry, I hit print. Preview. There are the name and the information. All right. Now, you want to go over to these arrows up here. Click on this one. That's going to take you to the end. And if you know how many letters based on that Excel spreadsheet, you want to make sure that it is pulling in the number of clients that you want to send letters. All right. Once that's done, you will click on finish. Sorry, if that happens, just go back to your mailings. Go to finish and merge. And here, you want to edit individual documents. If you do not click edit individual documents, you will get one letter and you will wonder what happened. Here, you're going to see mail, merge records all, and that's when you're going to click OK. Now notice, this is a new Word document right here, okay? And as you go down, you are going to see several different letters, all the different people and the different names, okay? I'll click over here and show you that there are two Word documents. One is going to be the template. One is going to be the actual letters that you can print out, okay? Well, that was somebody else's, but you get it, all right? So that is how you do a mail merge. Now, I'm going to go back to the original document, and here I can just do a save. I'll do a save as, and I can just name this Christine Ill or Christine's template. Mail merge, name it whatever you want. Name it something that you will recognize so that whenever you go back to do a new set of leads and pull in from the Excel spreadsheet, you'll be able to identify this letter. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, please put the comments down below. But that's it. So now this one is ready to go, and I can go and print those letters and mail them out. Now, if you want to know how to do the envelope, it is the same thing. If you notice over here, you have options for your envelope and your label. So real quick, if I just click on a clean page, you would go to mailings. You would go right over here to envelope. And it's going to put a template, an envelope template right there in front of you. This is an older laptop, so it's going to take a minute. And you see here also you can do the same for the labels. All right, so here is the envelope. I already have my information in here because I use my envelopes all the time. You would just add it to the document. So here's the envelope. And then again, you would do the same thing. Start a mail merge and go through the same steps and just exactly the same thing. Okay? All right, guys. Good luck. Peace.